Before we make a recommendation, the first step is to decide which plant adaptation allowed the birds to eat the most caterpillars in your experiment. Afterwards, you'll look at the plants that we have here at Crystal Cove and choose one that shares that same adaptation. To do this, you'll first need to look back at the graph you made in the last session and the notes you made in your science journals about your results. This information will be the evidence that you use to make a recommendation back to Crystal Cove State Park. Which plant adaptation ended up with the higher number of caterpillars being attacked? Of the two plant adaptations you tested, which one do you think would be good for the plants we have at Crystal Cove to have if we don't want them to be eaten by caterpillars? Open up a new page in your science journal and write down the plant adaptation that had the most attack marks on the caterpillars. Go ahead and use the sentence frame based on my graphs. More caterpillars were attacked by birds on plants with adaptation 1 or adaptation 2. Move on to the next slide to see the sentence frame and write down in your science journal which adaptation was the best for protecting against caterpillars.